Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 71 degrees.
So this will be a good test to test out the lightweight merino shirt that I'm carrying. The reason I'm doing this is lightweight merino. According to all the YouTube channel and all the stuff I've been hearing, you can get away wearing a lightweight shirt like this for up to 2, maybe 3 or 4 days and not have to wash it. Or it smell like the shirt itself won't smell. My body might smell, but so this video is strictly about merino wool. I'm going to show you my merino wool acquisitions that I purchased on Black Friday, and I'm going to give you my thoughts. So far, it's cold here. Well, 67 degrees is not really cold, but this morning when I put on this t-shirt, it was 45 degrees. It was cold in my house. I had forgotten to put the heater on. I couldn't wait to put this on. So this is the merino shirt. It's 165 grams lightweight. It's from Merino.tech. Now I'm going to show you the other things that I purchased. Come and watch this video as you see my new fashion statement. I mean, I'm not a model by any sense. I don't have one of those wonderful bodies, but I'm going to be a lot more comfortable this year around because of merino wool.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
Please, just check to see if you're subscribed. Don't forget to put the little bell in so you'll know when a new video of mine is coming out. Thanks again for your support. We're going to do another unboxing. This is from Morino, and let's see what it is. This is a Morino t-shirt. Now, the problem with merino wool is I'm a little allergic to wool, but I'm still willing to try it. And then these are socks. Merino.tech wool socks. These are large, these are hiking socks. Yeah, this is the same thing. This is one t-shirt and another pair of socks. Now this, I can recognize already, this is merino wool. 250 grams midweight. This is what I think they call a base layer. You put this on the top, on the bottom, and you put your merino wool pants, your underwear basically, on the bottom. Okay, more merino wool. So this is merino wool, like a golf shirt, really nice looking. And in this box, okay, the next thing looks like more wool, more merino socks. No, this one here is a blue t-shirt. So what I'm wearing here is and it comes with matching gray socks. I don't remember seeing that when I ordered, so maybe it's an addition. I have to look into it. And the idea of the merino wool is to pack lightly. Morino.tech 165 grain underwear. I guess they call it a base layer. So this is the Morino.tech merino wool, bottom extra large, 250 black. It's 165. It doesn't itch like wool would, but I've noticed that when it's really cold, I don't even notice the itching. I'm just so happy to have warmth. On the very bottom of my feet is the merino wool socks. Now there's many different companies putting out merino wool. And some of course are better than others. And the only way you learn this is by trying it out. So next I'm going to show you, I've already showed you the black one. I'm going to show you a blue one and a tan one, just to show you. Follow the label, gently rub and squish, I guess like that. Rinse with cold water, Gently dab existing stains. Black, probably not going to see any stains. And soak for 10 minutes. I'm stylish, I'm ready for winter. Now I'm going to show you the other t-shirts. If you know me, you know I like red. But I don't want to stand out like a peacock when I'm visiting other countries or even my own countries. I want to blend in. This is a nice creamy merino wool t-shirt. You can see I still have the tags because I wasn't sure how I was going to keep it, but I'm definitely keeping it. And you can see turning it all around. Very, very comfortable. Does not at all feel like wool. This is the next shirt. It's blue. I mostly always wear Levi's nowadays. It's more comfortable. I like the darkest Levi's, black Levi's, dark blue Levi's. That's what I like to wear. No holes. So this is going to go really good. It's nice and tight. It feels good. It goes across me easily. It feels wonderful. All right. Next, I'm going to show you a golf shirt. So here's the merino wool golf shirt. It's got 3 buttons here. It's comfortable, nice long sleeve. This is an extra large. You could wear the t-shirts all when you're wandering around. If you need to go to a nice restaurant. Some places allow you to have jeans. And you can wear this nice, good-looking merino wool golf shirt. The advantage of it is that you can stack many layers of wool. There's 3 settings right here. And this shirt that I'm wearing, maybe into a compression bag, you've got three days worth of easy wear to wear on your vacation that you can go back and rotate around too if you land, for example, if you spend more than say 4 or 5 days. I wanted to share this with you. This is the 165 that I purchased, but they do make 250 and they make 320. So this is for light use. It says lightweight. Midweight, that's what my long underwear is, 250 midweight. And if I was going to be going snowboarding, I might want to buy 320. And then, of course, they tell you all the activities that you can do with it. Here it says how to take care of it. You can follow steps and what not to do. For example, maximum is 30 degrees centigrade or 86 degrees Fahrenheit for water. Use hand wash or wool cycle. Turn inside out. Use wool detergent or mild soap. Lay flat to dry. Don't tumble dry. Do not use hot water. Do not use fabric softener. Do not wring dry or use a hanger. These are ways that you could stretch your shirt. And this was really interesting. They have boxers, long sleeve, t-shirts, polo shirts, gaiters. Oh, that's for the women. Women t-shirts, women long sleeve, women pants. On the men's side, you can see they have pants, 250 grain aft zip, long sleeve 250. For the heavyweight, they have 320 long sleeve. They have pants. The pants are your undergarments. 320 aft zip. Women has got the same, similar. And then you can buy, you save a little bit of money when you buy a full set, obviously. All right, so our next one here, we have here, this is called the Merino wool, 250 grains. It feels really nice. It feels a little thicker maybe. I don't feel the wooliness out of it. And it looks nice. This is a follow-up on the Merino wool. I had to return all of it. Matter of fact, these 4 bags that you can see in front of me are Merino t-shirts and socks. And lucky for me, I only had to try 1 t-shirt to realize instantly that was not gonna work. Now, what's really strange is the Merino socks are incredibly soft and cause me no trouble whatsoever. But the Merino t-shirts or the long underwear, 250 milligram that I wore, or a polo shirt, anything like that, I couldn't handle on my body. I've always been extremely sensitive to wool, and even though this was very good quality, it just didn't work for me. That doesn't mean it won't work for you. Well worth the investment, but it just didn't work for me. Again, don't stop just because of this video. This is basically an experimentation of seeing what will work for me for travel and what won't. And this process unfortunately didn't work. Thank you for watching and supporting me, and we'll see you in the next video.